Welcome to CCTV. I am Tushara and Matthew, your anchor for the day. CCTV brings to you a special broadcast on Blessed Chavra, who will be canonized as a saint on 23rd November 2014. Man is the basic unit of society. Great men never forget to leave their imprint on the pages of history. Though they pass away from the world, they live in the heart of the people. The life of Father Kuriakose Elias Chavra, a monk of extraordinary sanctity, a man of dynamic personality with broad vision, ever remains an inexhaustible source of inspiration to all those who care to look at him.
He was a man of great vision and ahead of his time. He also started the charitable institute of the Confraternity of St. Joseph for a happy death. This institute cared for the sick, the aged and the destitute, taking care of them and helping them prepare for a happy death.
A great visionary, Blessed Chavra played an integral part in the transformation of a whole generation. Acting as the founding member of a number of the best educational institutions today, Blessed Chavra has always been inclined towards improving the literacy in our country and imparting a holistic education to the youth of today. My experience at Christ University, Bangalore since 1994 would be incomplete without realizing the deep vision and dedication by our Blessed Chavra for the growth and development of this great institution. Let us adopt this far-reaching vision of our founder.
Saint Kuriakose Elias Chavra was a noble man with extraordinary character and commitment. He dreamt of a well-informed and educated society for the holistic development of humanity. His dream and his philosophy of inclusive education is gradually being actualized with the many educational institutions run by his followers, the CMI members. He was not a moody saint who kept himself aloof from the common man, but a humble person who had utter dependence on the inscrutable providence of God and total commitment to society. We Christites owe our inspiration from this noble and saintly soul and commit ourselves to the love of God and the service of humanity.
Blessed Chavra is the founder of the first indigenous religious congregation of India in the year 1831, which is known as the CMI. Blessed Chavra is also the co-founder of the first religious congregation for women in the Syro-Malabar Church.
He also started a printing press, the first Catholic printing press in Kerala, and so was able to make available to the people religious and devotional matters and books on good faith and good morals. Also in his spiritual reform, St. Chavra formed the two congregations which I mentioned previously. In 1831, he founded the one for men, the Carmelites of Mary Immaculate, which today number 3,000 members spread in 27 countries. They continue his noble mission and charism. They work in pastoral care, schools, healthcare and social work.